Hi, welcome to Somala IT Solution. Today we gonna talk about for loop and do while loop part 2 of build your programming logic. If you interest our race, join us. Here is simple example of for loop. This example is same the exam we use in part 1 while loop. And the output is. Let's analyze how for loop works. Declare variable b and initialize by 1. Check if b value is less than 3 and b value is less than 3 because b value is 1. Print line 1. Add b value by 1 and b value becomes 2. Check if b value is less than 3. B value is less than 3 because b value 2 and 2 is less than 3. Print line 2. Add b value by 1 and b value become 3. Check if b value is less than 3. B value is not less than 3 because b value is 3 and 3 is not less than 3. Loop terminated. Let's look the same example in do while loop. Do while loop is different from other loops because it doing one job before condition. Declare variable b and initialize by 1. Print line 1. Add b value by 1 and b value becomes 2. Check if b value is less than 3. B value is less than 3 because b value 2 and 2 is less than 3. Print line 2. Add b value by 1 and b value become 3. Check if b value is less than 3. B value is not less than 3 because b value is 3 and 3 is not less than 3. Loop terminated. Join us to get more videos. Thanks for watching.